this is the wrong book. This is the wrong book. I don't need this book. I don't need this one. I need this one. This is the correct book. Okay. That book is the correct book. Okay. And another way to use wrong, you can ask a question. For example, if I come in, oh, my stomach, oh. So what's the question you're going to ask? What's wrong? What's wrong? And I say, oh, I have a stomach ache. A stomach ache. Remember stomach ache, remember your aches and pains. Ouch, ouch, ouch. And also, if I say, oh, my computer. What's wrong with? The preposition is with. What's wrong with your computer? Or what's wrong with your phone? Okay? So when you're talking about things, we're using with, or people, with. Another way to say wrong, the question is, what's the matter? Have you heard of what's the matter? So
what's the matter? Yeah.
What's the matter? Right here. What's the matter is the same as saying what's wrong. It's the same. And you can use it for things, and also you can use it for people. All right, we reviewed what's the matter before when we were looking at stomach aches, ear aches. Okay. All right, now. Are you ready for some vocabulary? Let me see what you know. Let's see what you know. Okay. And remember, we're going to put a point on the board every time you get it right. Okay, here we go. Oh, hold on, let me get my marker. Ready? Uh-oh. We have Karen. Karen said she wants the competition. She wants to compete. Hold on. Oh, let me put these words on the board one more time for Karen. Hey, Karen. Hello, Karen.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right, Karen. One more time. You still in an example for me. Still.
I'm still going to the gym.
Good. I'm still going to the gym. Perfect, perfect. About to, Karen, about to.
about to eat.
Exactly. I'm about to eat. Woohoo!
I think warrior.
Did you hear Freddie? He said, you're about to eat a big burger. All right, and the last one, Karen, the last one is dun, 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 dun. Wrong. Oh, Karen. Oh, oh.
What do you wrong?
Oh, no, so we're going to say what?
What is
Good.
what is you?
What is
What
wrong?
is wrong with you?
Yes, that's it. What is wrong with you? Right? And then you can say, are you okay? Stop it. Are you okay? What is wrong with you? Are you okay? No. What is wrong with me, Freddie? What is wrong? Oh,
He has like a stomach.
yes. I have a stomach ache. Very good. All right, here we go. Vocabulary time, vocabulary. Are we ready? So we have Superman, Freddie. Remember, let's see how many you can get. And we have Miss Guerrero.
Why Superman?
Because Freddie looks like Superman. Look at him.
Okay, I understand.
Right. He looks like Clark Kent. Clark Kent. Okay. All right. Are we ready? Yeah. All right. So what I'm going to do, who wants to go first? So this is how we're going to do it. I'm going to show you